When it comes to buying a pre-owned vehicle, peace of mind and trust matter most. At Downey Ford, we're proud to offer two distinct categories of used vehicles, each designed to fit your needs, your lifestyle, and your budget. Let's start with our Downey Auto certified vehicles. These vehicles meet our highest standards of quality, performance, and presentation. Every certified vehicle goes through a comprehensive mechanical and safety inspection by our licensed technicians. We repair and recondition each one so it's in top shape, inside and out. They're fully detailed to showroom standards, come with 2 working keys, and include a verified Carfax history report for complete transparency. Our certified vehicles are what we call frontline ready, ready for you to drive and enjoy immediately. Looking for something reliable and affordable? Meet our Downey Auto Road Ready vehicles, the perfect choice for those who want dependable transportation at a great value. Each Road Ready vehicle passes a provincial safety inspection and includes dependable tires and brakes in good condition. They're professionally cleaned, fully inspected, and, most importantly, ready to hit the road safely. Road-ready vehicles are ideal for first-time buyers, students, or anyone on a budget who still wants quality and reliability. At Downey Auto Group, we believe buying used shouldn't mean compromising on quality or confidence. Whether you choose certified or road-ready, you're getting more than a vehicle. You're getting value, transparency, and peace of mind. And with available warranty and protection options, you can drive away knowing that your investment is protected, today and down the road.